Nag-review tas yung activity today. Yan, nagpabasa. Dayon. Nindot ang kuan sa gawas, pero di siya kaduwa kay unahon ang kuan. Unahon sa ang assignment. Makaduwa pa karon? Dili na.
I want to play.
You want to play.
I want to play.
Okay. So, kumusta man imong day 2, Unyara? Good? Tell her.
Good.
Unsa man, what's the highlight of your day 2? Nothing? Ganina daghagay kag chika karon nothing. Okay. So, they have kuan today, they have math. So, gi-review lang nako siya unsa ang ilang studyhan. Hapit na tani mabalik og ka-dragon. Need na ko mangita og need mangita na kog ate na so ako mo teach nimo gyud. Uy. Ganahan ka mo daghan na akong psoriasis, mo daghan na akong stress. So, like Ate Charity ba? So, karon na week, ako lang sa amo review ni mo and teach, but eventually, I will have to find a tutor for you so that the tutor can help you.
No, I will leave it. I'm not moving. I'm going to follow Daddy.
Sige, patiwasan na para makaduwa ka. So, mo ni ang gibuhat ron 1 to 10. Gipakapyan ako sa ilahang
Okay.
kuan, ya pansiran akong balik na ipabasa. Nindot ba siya agi oh? Nindot og agi. Di ni kaduwa
My
ron.
teacher didn't even see the Aggie when I was like.
Di ni
They
kaduwa.
was like they was the same when teacher said no one may post the thing. I will check who's a beautiful Aggie. The teacher just like passed mine and then she didn't take it. Like passed.
Okay. Your Agi is beautiful to me because I have very bati Agi, but maybe there are other classmates that's very nice Agi. That's okay because you know there are different talents.
I cannot see. Oh,
What do you think is your talent?
Drawing.
Drawing.
Yeah, I want to be an artist when I grow up.
You wanna be an artist?
Yeah, and one of my friends want to be an artista when they grow up.
Who want to be an artista when they grow
The
up?
girl who moved to another class.
Ah, Sia?
Yeah.
Mm.
Artista.
Weren't you sad that she moved?
Okay. Traumatized.
So, today,
And
who's your best friend now in the class? Do you have a best friend?
beside it,
Huh? What's the name of your best friend? You focus na on study. Eh.
just please video me, please, and video me, please.
Ha?
Keep on video me when I'm done. And
No, uy, mahurot na niya ako ang I don't have space. I couldn't continue the video. Later na lang. I'll need to post.
I love.
Bye-bye.
Then delete that video.
Delete, huh? You want this to delete?
Yeah, you cannot put it next to the other one.
No, all the other ones kay posted naman, 'di ba?
But if you post that thing with, if you post that thing that video who doesn't have a next video, it will be sad. Cause
No, we will have the kuan. Okay. I will tell them what happened. You will tell them tomorrow. Okay. Say day 2 of my school diaries. Need to practice na saying.
my friends keep on having fun, but when I'm here, they don't have much more fun.
It's okay. You can find friends you will have fun
My
with.
friend Abby was my most funnest friend.
I don't think Abby has arrived na day.
She was my most funnest friend that I had with me. She didn't come back.
Maybe she'll come back soon.
Yay! Yay!